Hi, all. Hope you are doing well. Sorry for not posting the video for so long. Today Discord has released a new Nitro feature and we will talk about that soon. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Please find the link in the description. Alright, so back to the topic. Discord has just announced this new feature. Let's say, it's kinda similar to ringtone or message notification sound where you don't need to hear those annoying Wumpus text sound. Alright, so you heard those sounds. Cool, innit? The only problem is, you need to be a Nitro user to avail of this perk. Like seriously? Why do I pay $10 for this? But it seems like you can set different text tone for different channel, which I think is alright but not over the top thing. Right now, it's a beta feature so you might not be able to see it. But if you want to know to view that feature, just follow me. And this is how you view. Just let me know in the comments section if you like this feature. It would be great to hear your views. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button.